now and then, and we'll get it cleaned up and sanded and smoothed out for you guys. But we won't paint it if she doesn't want to paint it. So each one requires processing time and yada yada yada. I'll do this for free, and I'll do your smiley face for free. That way, if you guys want to help me with, you know, bringing in customers and stuff, you can say, well, this is what I got and stuff. So, free advertisement. I could make it dance. I could print Baby Groot out in the thermophasic polymer and freaking make it dance. So,
whichever's easier for him. It may look better if he puts the black in it, but if that's too difficult, I can paint them.
Yeah, do the body white, eyes black, and she can do the glassy part. Awesome. Yeah. This guy's hauling a tree truck on a trailer, like huge. And it was waving like he was about to lose it. We slowed down and caught it.